57 degrees at Orange at the Horseman Store. 75, make that 73% relative humidity. Winds are out of the south and southwest at 4 or 5 miles per hour. What is that? Blue sky? I bet we're going to see a magnificent sunset coming up with those clouds moving across and a few breaks in that sun setting. I bet it's going to be a nice color in the sky coming up in just a couple of minutes. In the meantime, we do have that low-level moisture in the form of clouds moving across the area. No rain to speak of overnight tonight, but here comes that upper-level storm that's approaching from the Rockies, from our northwest, already bringing some snow around the Rockies from Albuquerque and even north into Colorado. Continuing to see those snow showers building up across the ski resorts as well. Good news for them, bad news for us that the rain is going to be returning. Temperatures now into the middle to upper 50s across our area, 70s and 80s once again across the south and Rio Grande, 80 degrees in downtown Del Rio, 78 though in Dryden, out in the West Texas town of El Paso, 59 degrees, 60 though at Fort Smith up in Arkansas, Little Rock at 56. Continuing to see dry air in place, at least for the time being, but again, that moisture beginning to work its way in from the north and west. Here's our futurecast. What happens overnight tonight? Lots of cloud cover, and then by tomorrow morning, here's your timestamp. About 7:10 in the morning, we start seeing those rains approaching. Now, it looks like most of the morning drive will be only some scattered rain showers, but look at what happens around noontime and picking up into 3 o'clock this afternoon, tomorrow afternoon rather, we'll start seeing those showers accumulate across the area and into the evening. Even at 7 o'clock in the evening, could even see a couple of those building up, could produce some locally heavy downpours in a short amount of time. If you're planning on doing some fishing offshore, keep one eye on the sky. Seas are going to be running 1 to 3 feet. We'll look for choppy in the bays and sandy in the surf. Southeasterly winds at 15 knots. 3:33 a.m. and 6:40 p.m. are your two scheduled high tides for Sabine Pass, and the water temperature at 57 degrees. In the meantime, mostly cloudy, cool overnight tonight. No rain in the forecast overnight. We'll dip down to the near 50-degree mark for the lakes, lower to middle 50s for the triangle. Then highs tomorrow with a 70% coverage of showers, and yes, breezy conditions out of the southeast. Over 15 miles per hour, maybe up into even 20 miles per hour. Highs will be in the middle to upper 60s, and there's that 70% coverage of rain. Again, that's going to be after the early morning hours, and then again, looks like a dry weather pattern for Wednesday. Better enjoy that. And then most of Thursday looking okay, but by Thursday evening, we'll start seeing a 30% coverage of showers building on in. Friday, a cold front moving through, 40% coverage, winds out of the northwest on Friday. And that will usher in some dry air and cooler temperatures for the weekend before the next rain event on Monday. But have to get through tomorrow and then for the end of the week as well. So Lauren, looks like rain returning. Didn't have any rain today, but didn't see a whole lot of sunshine. But I bet we're going to see that beautiful sunset in just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, it was nice to see the sun peeking out. Finally, I'm really bummed though tomorrow it's going to be rainy.
Yep, once again, looks like a gumbo kind of day.
Yeah, at least Wednesday, Thursday looking good.